Customizable beach chair. Easily adjusts to 5 seating positions, including a lay-flat option, providing you with customized seating and relaxation. Unique and functional. Features a towel bar on the back of the beach chair and an insulated cup holder so you can enjoy an entire day of relaxation. Durable and lightweight. Beach chair frame is constructed of durable rust-proof aluminum, making it lightweight and easy to carry. Weighs only 7.5 pounds. Pinch-free seat adjustments. 5-position easy adjust recline options. Adjust without the worry of getting your fingers or hands caught in the brackets. Convenient storage. Includes a mesh pocuh located on the side of the chair to store your keys, phone, and wallet. Pop open a cold one with the attached bottle opener. Top reviews from the United States. Best chairs. Do it. Now that I finally got mine, order away. Our original choice were zero-gravity chairs which were unfortunately misdelivered, but we order these as a replacement and wow. Some images show easily broken parts. That's not the case. Basically just lift the left arm to engage or disengage folding options and make sure you don't force the chairs to fold with sand in the joints. Now, why are these so great? Allow me to explain. Low to the ground. Perfect to stretch out legs comfortably. Different settings equals constant comfort. Can fold into lounge for flat tanning. A correctly placed pillow, seriously amazing. Super lightweight and straps to carry. Cooling bag, nets, cup holders and bottle opener. Get out of town, they thought of everything. I spend hours researching chairs and these are hands down the best for both dog park and beach.